We are in this unique place, the Għadira Nature Reserve, and we are going to show you around.
Your first stop will be here, this visitor center, where you can learn new information about this amazing place and do some bird watching. Now we're going to go for a walk around the reserve, and we're going to take you with us. BirdLife Malta makes sure that all the shrubs and trees at the Għadira Nature Reserve are all local based and indigenous.
What's a bug hotel? A bug hotel is a place for bugs and insects that call home. There's a lot here in this area, and this looks something like it. This is the second viewpoint. From here you can do some serious bird watching.
All of the water that you see here outside is all rainwater collected because there's no other means of getting water into the reserve otherwise.
We're at the photographer's hut. This hut is next to reservoir here at Nature Reserve. A photographer can book sessions online to use this hut. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.
Thank you Għadira Nature Reserve for this, and we really recommend that you come and visit here. See you next week.
Bye.
Bye. I found a stick. I didn't cut it myself. I found it on the ground. I'm the bidu. Għadu xaqsmu l-liqtajta.